Hi guys, Red here. Just a quick little update on the Munster Koach. Like you say, it's coming along pretty good. The one thing to make this thing easier is cut the top off the damn thing. It'll go back on there. It's almost like it's engineered for it. I still got to do the inside of this and get busy with the flat black. The gloss black looks pretty good though. Anyway, it's coming right along. I still got the Furious Fiat, and I got all these other cars in the wings. Man, I just got interested in this real quick because of the group build. This kit is more about painting than it is about assembling. It's really a simple kit. I mean, you know, hell, the chassis is one piece, and the wheels don't even have wheel backs. But I'm building it just for what's in the box. I am debating whether or not to try to tint this chrome to where it looks like brass or not, because on the original all this shit was brass. But I don't know. Pardon my French there. Get carried away sometimes. But I'm not. Like I said, I haven't made up my mind yet. But anyway, none of this is put together yet. The reason I say what makes it easier taking it apart is then you can take the interior tub in and out. With that cab on there, you got to be real careful after you get it in there the first time, man. You got to be real careful getting it in there the first time, let alone getting it back out. As always, like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. This is really coming together pretty good, I think. But yeah, I'm even using the paint call-outs they got. So anyway, there's that. There you get busy with the flat black and the semi-flat. So this all be flat black and semi-flat black to contrast with the gloss on there. And I still got to paint my curtains. The instructions call out white for the curtains, man, but I remember them being yellow with little black dingle balls on it. But we'll see how that turns out. Y'all have a good weekend. I'm trying to enjoy my Saturday. We'll talk to you later. Bye.